Occasionally, you might find it necessary to end a meeting earlier than the agenda shows. For example, since we're in this final agenda item, as designated by the hourglass, if all of the discussions have ended and there's nothing more to do to discuss, it's easy to end the meeting by navigating to the advanced meeting button, select the caret on the side, and then select end meeting. This will immediately end the meeting, but it will not end the video conferencing. It will continue. Notice it says the meeting is ended. It gives you the time it started, the time it ended. Another way to end a meeting, if you're in the very final agenda item, as designated here by the hourglass, you can simply select Advanced Meeting and it will end the meeting. As a warning, if you do that in that final agenda item, it will end the meeting. So don't forget, you can always roll back the meeting by selecting Roll Back Meeting. So now you know how to end a meeting as a facilitator in Keepical.